Ew.
Alice, where is Laura?
I haven't seen her. The kitchen is a mess.
Did we miss the show?
It can't be.
Look, there is a note.
I went to find a unicorn.
Legends say that unicorns are difficult to catch.
Yeah, I know.
Laura!
Hi, girls.
Laura,
Did you catch a unicorn?
Well, it turned out to be more difficult than I thought. But on the other hand, I know the recipe for a delicious unicorn cake, which guess what we'll do? We'll cook today.
Wow!
So, for the dough, you will need flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, butter, eggs, milk, sunflower oil, yogurt, vanilla extract, gel food colors. We chose blue, pink, and purple.
Laura, Alice, I came up with the perfect drink for this cake.
Xenia, I think I know what you talk about.
Orange soda.
Oh, this sounds great. Orange soda will go perfectly with this great unicorn. So, girls, did you wash the hands?
Yes.
Are you sure? So before we start with the dough, I would really like to compliment your hair with this beautiful butterflies and lovely bunny ears and sequins on your face. You look so colorful.
Thank you very much, Laura.
You're welcome, girls. So let's start with the dough. Xenia, I would like to ask you to add flour to the bowl. And Alice, eventually you add sugar. So, flour in, sugar in. I'll just throw a little bit of baking powder. And the pinch of salt. And now, what are we going to do?
Mix everything well.
Well, I will bring a friend. Do you remember the friend from our last episode?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's my mixer. And carefully not to throw everything in the kitchen. Good. Now, what we have to add further is room temperature butter to the mixture. Great, and mix again. Now, I make here the great, add the eggs. Great. And the milk. Great. Now again, we need to add 2 more ingredients.
Yogurt and vanilla extract.
Sure, yogurt, sunflower oil, and vanilla extract. And definitely a little bit of vanilla extract. Drops. Great. And now, mix everything well. Vanilla extract.
Smells so good.
Yes, the dough is always so tasty with it. And yeah, it really does smell so good. So, the dough now is ready. This is the consistency we're looking for. And now we're gonna split it in 3 equal parts.
And add color.
Right, let's go for it.
Thank you, Laura.
And 2 more here. Did you pick already the colors?
Purple, blue,
And I guess I'll go with pink.
I like the colors.
I do like them too. Nobody can actually see that I'm the pink lover. Maybe. Keep it a secret. Now, let's add the colors. So, you're doing just right. In the meantime, I will prepare the baking dish and I will grease it with sunflower oil and cover it with parchment paper. So, okay, great. The colors are very beautiful. Hold on.
Hey, Alice, want to hear a joke?
Go on. I hope it's funny.
Why did the banana go to the doctor?
Why?
Because it wasn't feeling well.
That's a good one.
Oh, girls, I see you're laughing. Was it a joke? I missed a joke. You just missed a joke. Now, this is the pan. It's greased with oil. We will put the dough into the mold, but we will use a spoon. And we will add one by one and combine the colors in our pan. Good. Now, we take a spoon and we just drop it here. And you can put it whatever you want, but let's try to combine colors. Right. Do it.
I very like the colors.
Yeah, it's really cool. Need a little bit of pink in here, and I'll just get a little bit of pink in here. I think we're all good and set.
Delicious.
Hey, stop eating the dough. It's not ready yet. It looks like a unicorn. I'm not sure if it tastes like a unicorn. Yeah, right. So, we send the cake to the oven, and for now, we will deal with the cream. So, while the dough is setting up and getting cold, we will do the cream for our unicorn cake. For the cream, we need heavy cream, condensed milk, and vanilla extract. Add all the ingredients and
Mix well.
vanilla extract and heavy cream. But before that, condensed milk. I will just mix a little bit with my favorite friend mixer.
Amazing.
Yes, and now we add condensed milk. Well, finally I get to taste something in this kitchen before you eat everything up. Tasting. And combine everything well. So, the cream is ready. Now we just have to add color. Which color do you want?
Pink.
Blue. No. Finally, I'll be the one to pick at least one color in this episode, and I'll go for purple. And we add just a little bit of food coloring to our cream and make it purple. Check this out.
I like it.
I want to eat a small spoon of this. Delicious.
Good. A small spoon.
Yummy.
Now, we get this. Do I have to taste? Yeah, yummy. Now what we're gonna do, the cream is ready. Our cake base is also ready. And once it's cooled, we just have to help it out with the molds. And finally assemble the cakes. And our cake is ready cooled down. And with the help of the molds, we cut out circles from the cake. Da-da-da! Brought in the cake. It looks amazing. We have the mold. And carefully, let's make circles. I'll go first, and then you come and help me out. Up till the end. Carefully taking out.
Amazing.
Yes, I'll help you out. Alice. Good. Taking it out carefully. Right. Yep, looks great. Carefully taking it up. One more. Taking them out. Yes. And the last one. Now, all it remains is to collect our cake. We have our pastry bag where we will add our cream, and we will put the cream in the pastry bag and then assemble our cake. You have your cute little bowl and all your sprinkles. So I'll set this aside and get the cream. Our beautiful lavender cream. Looks beautiful. Can you help me out with the cream? Great.
Yummy.
Well, this was just a great teamwork. Our cream is set. I'll just put it just right here, not to touch. Now let's try to take out our circles. Look at that. First goes a little bit of cream, and then you take a circle and set it over the cream, right? And then one more round of cream, and then one more cake. And then again cream and dough, and the finale of this beautiful cake. So I'll go first. And I'll just get right away. Set aside, and let's get one more circle. So, get your piece of cake.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And set it firmly over the top. This is great. And now, the last one. And one more, please.
Thank you.
And the last one. Beautiful. Take it and set it over.
This is beautiful.
Yes, it is. Take a look, guys, at this amazing unicorn cake. Hey, stop eating around the table. You have your own dessert. Look at this beautiful, beautiful rainbow unicorn. I don't know how to call it. It's just amazing. You girls have done a great job. Still, hey! Oh, okay. Good. I'll set this aside. Now we're just gonna decorate our amazing, beautiful, lovely cakes. I'll set this in the fridge. I guess there is left some dough. I'll make myself a cute little rainbow cake, but I'm going to get some whipped cream. Don't eat anything out of the table until I come back. So, again. Good. And now we're gonna make some beautiful topping over with whipped cream, and you can use your favorite sprinkles to put them over.
Wow! Decorate with sprinkles. Sprinkles, 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 sprinkles.
So, everything is ready. You want to give a taste to the cake?
But something is missing.
What is missing?
Orange soda.
Oh, right. Right, I think I prepared. I guess I prepared. No, I'm sure I prepared everything for your orange soda. Can you please bring me the oranges that are on the counter? And I'll go get the. Please go get me the orange soda, and I'll bring some glasses for you girls.
Okay. Orange soda.
Which color?
Red.
Blue. Great. All set. Now I'll just pour in some soda, and you will decorate with a slice of orange.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Now, I guess you can taste your creation. Take a spoon and
Taste.
I like it.
Well,
yummy.
there is no unicorn core on my face. At least I have some stars. I was against the best chef today for bringing you this amazing cake.
I like this very much.
This is my second favorite cake.
Xenia, one more?
Well, I love them all.
I love them all too.
Well, because we make very tasty desserts, which friends, I recommend you to cook at home with your children in your favorite kitchen. Prepare this dessert that your kids will like and goes perfectly for any children's party.
Subscribe to our channel.
Let's be friends on social media.
Let's have fun and meet. Write in the comments where you are from and what desserts you like. See you next Thursday with another easy to make dessert. We look forward to seeing you soon, and we have a new cool recipe that we will make and can make together.
Bye!
Can I take a bite? Can I take a bite? Okay, bye.
No!
Hey! I got it. Well, this is tasty. That's cool. I hate sprinkles, but no, sprinkles is totally not my feeling, but the cake is tasty. Hey, bye.
Stop! Stop!